Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use Oppo mobile 3 finger screenshot setting. How to take 3 finger screenshot in Oppo mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your Oppo mobile you want to use a screenshot setting, you want to on, you want to take 3 finger screenshot in Oppo mobile. So friends, now let's see how to take 3 finger screenshot one by one we will talk about. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo mobile. Friends, in your Oppo mobile, scroll down here and open your device phone tool setting. Convention tool setting friends, tap here. After your phone convention tool setting friends, navigation setting you want to use, so you can use your swipe gesture from both sides. You can use your 3 button navigation friends. Click here screenshot setting and you can on your 3 finger screenshot setting, and you can use in your Oppo mobile. So when 3 fingers swipe down to take full screenshot setting you want to use, so you can use. After turn on, use your 3 finger, swipe down with 3 finger, you can take a screenshot in Oppo mobile. So then tap on your screenshot and you can edit your screenshot also friends. If you click a crop option and you want to change your screenshot shape, so you can change your screenshot shape also, and you can crop your screenshot. Second friends, if you click here, you want to mark on your screenshot, so you can mark on your screenshot. You can edit your screenshot, and you want to delete, so you can delete your screenshot. Delete screenshot, click here, screenshot will delete. Friends, if you turn off your 3 finger screenshot setting, so you cannot use 3 finger screenshot setting in Oppo mobile. Swipe down with 3 finger, you cannot take a screenshot. Friends, you can use touch and hold with 3 finger to take a screenshot setting. So when scrolling screenshot you want to use touch and hold with 3 finger, and you can use your scrolling screenshot setting in Oppo mobile. And you don't want to use, so you can off your scrolling screenshot setting. Click here 3 finger touch and hold to take a screenshot, we will off. So friends, now if you touch and hold with 3 finger you cannot use screenshot setting. Friends, you can take a screenshot with shortcut setting also. Swipe here screenshot, click here, you can take a screenshot in Oppo mobile. Right click here, screenshot will save. Left side if you click here, screenshot will delete in your Oppo mobile. Delete screenshot. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.